Have you ever stared at pages of unstructured text and wished you could magically extract just the data you need? What if you could turn messy emails, documents, or web content into clean, structured JSON in seconds? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a powerful AI technique that will save you hours of manual data extraction without writing a single line of code. I am Doug Ortiz, and I help businesses automate their data workflows using AI. Recently, I was approached because there was a need for a specific individual and company team, particularly, to look at their customer emails. They had a lot of them to process. They were doing it manually and extracting the contact details, along with all this key information. And it was taking their team around 20 plus hours per week. That's a lot of hours. If you use the exact technique I'm about to show you, we reduced that time to just minutes. And the best part, it required zero coding knowledge. Imagine that. Here's the challenge we're going to face with unstructured data. Whether it's emails, supported text, documents, or web content, valuable data is buried within paragraphs of text with no consistent format. Traditionally, extracting this data required either hours of manual copy and pasting, complex regex patterns and custom coding, or expensive specialized software. But the real problem isn't just the time wasted. It's the inconsistency and errors that came from the manual extraction. Many times, after analyzing their workflow or your current workflows, 1 in 4 data points contained errors. So the solution is what I call the JSON extraction prompt, a simple technique that leverages AI to transform any text into perfectly structured data. Here's the magic formula that works with both Claude and ChatGPT. The best part, you can customize this for any data fields you need to extract. Let's go ahead and implement the solution. First step, you got to be on ChatGPT in this case. And we're going to type in, remember this text, and I'm going to copy and paste the specific text we want to utilize. Notice, here it goes. Let's review it. The text contains everything else we need from an email. So notice, it has addressee, who is writing it, their email, strategies, additional items, even some coupons, changes, and finally, who wrote it. Great. Let's analyze it, and we get a confirmation that it has been stored. Now, let's write the prompt we're looking for. Extract the following fields from this text as JSON. Sender name, email, request type, priority, due date. Most important, we only want it to respond with valid JSON. Let's process it, and it's done. Here are some practical tips that will make you more successful. First one, be specific about formats. Tell the AI exactly how you want your dates, numbers, and categories formatted. Second, handle missing information. Instruct the AI to use null values rather than making assumptions. And third, provide examples. Whenever there are complex extractions, show an example of your expected output. Remember, the quality of your extraction depends on how clearly you communicate what you need. There you have it, a simple yet powerful technique that will transform any unstructured text into clean, structured data using AI without any coding at all. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button for more practical AI techniques.